Thank you for considering Marble Shine Jax as your MORE Anti-Etch applicator. You have invested in the finest marble countertops for your kitchen. Unfortunately, beautiful as it is, marble is susceptible to acid etch marks. You may have tried everything to remove these unsightly etches, but nothing works. As MORE Anti-Etch certified applicators, we will ensure the perfect application for your marble. Here's how we achieve that long-lasting finish. We start by protecting surrounding surfaces. Then we clean and prepare the top layer of the counters with diamond abrasives. After this, the surface is at the correct finish to lock onto the sealer. Before we apply the sealer, we fill divots and holes with epoxy. The next step is to pour the anti-etch sealer. We mix the product with an activator and then apply it to the prepared surface using a roller. The compound is rolled many times to attain evenness. It takes 1 hour to self-level. Then, with UV light, we cure the compound holding the light above the counters for several minutes. We test the cure as we progress. After curing the sealer, it is sanded to achieve the customer's desired honed or polished finish. It is ready to use immediately. The MORE Anti-Etch sealer provides protection from all staining and is backed by a 10-year warranty, completed in a honed and polished finish. We care deeply about our craft and are dedicated to protecting and restoring your beautiful marble.
Protected by the MORE Anti-Etch sealer. We're going to test it. We're going to pour some red wine that would normally etch, make a cloud-like mark on the table. We're going to let it sit for a minute, but we all know it's an automatic chemical reaction. We're going to wipe the wine away. You'll see there's no staining, no etching, because the table is protected with a 10-year warranty.
Thank you for considering Marble Shine Jax.